So tastytrade is an online financial network, and we also build financial technology. So we have 8 hours of live programming every day, teaching retail investors how to more efficiently manage their money by trading derivatives or options. So I've been at tastytrade for about 2 years now. I do a lot of different things. I do everything from metrics and analytics to customer acquisition, accounting, and I also manage the building. So I was in charge of the build out. I was kind of the mediator between the architects and the contractors.
We are a commercial and residential company located in Oak Park, Illinois, and we've been in business for 12 years, and during that whole time pretty much we've been dealing with Mitsubishi products.
So with the studios, we knew there was going to be, a lot of heat generated from the lights, and the room is really well insulated to help with sound. So we knew that we wanted to put in individual units in each studio just to control the temperature, as efficiently and quietly as possible. Same thing with the server room. We have a lot of equipment in there. We wanted to have its own HVAC system in the server room. The cooling runs in there, 365 days a year. There's never a time where the air is not running in there, and if the air went down, it would shut down our whole business.
We had a customer of ours that we had done a large project for at his house, and he is the owner of the building here, I believe, and they had a problem with one of their conventional heating and air conditioning units here, and we ended up replacing that unit. And while we were here that day, we noticed a set of prints that was up here that was showing a major project that was going on inside, and they had started construction on it. And I talked to him about it a little bit and asked him some about the mechanicals, and immediately it looked like it was a really good application for Mitsubishi on it.
So in the studios it was sound, and then in the server room it was having a robust system. With the mics they pick up the smallest little noises, so we did not want a humming in the background of our shows. So definitely sound with the studios, and then in the server room, if something ever happened, one went down, we wanted to have a nice backup system.
Originally, the meeting, what we had was they were giving us the set of mechanical drawings and having us bid on installing mechanicals that had been laid out by a mechanical engineer. And at that point, it was a conventional ducted system that they were looking at installing in the space. And we immediately at that point started again to suggest the Mitsubishi system, but we told them that we would submit proposals to them listing both options, both the conventional system and the Mitsubishi system. Well, I know that the initial bid for the conventional system ended up being more than they originally expected on it. And what was interesting is that the options that we gave them for the Mitsubishi products were actually more economical. And they solved a number of other aesthetic problems that the larger conventional equipment was going to cause as well. So it was something that they became a lot more interested at that point at looking at the Mitsubishi products. One of the, again, as it was drawn on the original set of mechanical drawings that we had, the conventional equipment had air handling equipment that was going to be suspended from the ceilings pretty much outside the studio area, and it was obvious from the pictures on the drawings that it was really meant to be a showcase studio area. There's a lot of glass involved and really visually pleasing, and I could immediately see that these conventional systems were going to be kind of big ugly units up above there that were going to detract from those aesthetics.